What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to pair and set up for the first setup, let's say for Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4. So I just got a second hand, it was de-attached from previous account. So how to attach it to the new account? Firstly, you need to do is to open Xiaomi Home app here, click plus on the top and click add device. Then need to wait for the device or scan to add. So actually you need to find the QR code here, and usually the QR code is located here. My QR code was de-attached, or also the previous owner can check your QR code. I already have it here, so I made a photo of it. Then now I can use it here to connect my scooter. So what I will do now is to open the screenshots here that I've made. So there was a QR code sticked on it, so I just hide the QR code as you see it here. Now I need to scan it with my camera and I can add the scooter. Without this QR code you cannot add it. So actually how you can check your QR code, if your previous owner, if it's not new and second hand, he can find this QR code in the app and share with you. So after this you can easily connect your scooter. I don't need to do it as I have it already in a paper, so I will just add it. After all, you scan the QR code using the scanner. I will do it now. Okay, then it's written reset device, device reset. As I understood, first you need to reset before scanning it. Searching for nearby Bluetooth device. Let's wait. So before reconnecting it, you need to actually reset it. What you need to do is to hold 3 buttons here and press the power button for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be resetted now. So now it's done, it's resetted. So next what you need to do is to open the app. Actually what we just done is to open Xiaomi Home app, and the scooter appeared directly immediately. So click agree, then you need to scan QR code. So I have it already and I scan it now, and after the scanning of QR code, it's asking to input the password that recently used. So I will actually input my password. It's actually a password for connection. You should create it by yourself. After this, the device connection done. It's paired, and let's wait. You can select the room where it's located. Next, agree. And then you're done. So you're watching this riding safely instruction, and you can easily manage your scooter. It's already attached to your Xiaomi account, so you can have full control of your scooter, change the settings and use it normally.